to Cognixia Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cognixia Podcast. Every week, we bring you some fresh insights into the world of emerging technologies that are reshaping our reality. We have an absolutely inspiring episode for you today, and we are practically excited. So grab your favorite beverage, settle into that comfy spot, and buckle up because we are about to take you on a journey through the aisles of innovation, quite literally. Have you ever walked into a grocery store and had taken for granted your ability to scan the shelves, read product labels, and navigate through crowded aisles with ease? Have you ever stopped to think about the millions of visually impaired shoppers who face these everyday challenges that most of us never consider? Well, today we are diving into a story that will completely change how you think about inclusion, innovation, and the transformative power of AI when it is built with genuine empathy. Today, we are exploring one of the most groundbreaking initiatives in retail technology, Britannia's revolutionary AI platform. This isn't just another tech upgrade story. This is about a brand that decided to step beyond superficial lip service to inclusivity and create something truly transformative. We are talking about multimodal AI that is giving visually impaired shoppers their independence back, one grocery trip at a time. This isn't just about making shopping more convenient. This is about reclaiming dignity, fostering genuine inclusion, and proving that when technology is built with real users at the center, it can move mountains. Today, we are unpacking this fascinating fusion of cutting-edge AI technology and authentic human empathy, exploring not just the how, but the why, and most importantly, the what does this mean for building a more inclusive world. Let us start by painting the picture of how this incredible initiative came to life. Britannia isn't just any brand, it is one of India's most beloved food companies, a household name that has been part of Indian families for generations. But here is what makes this story so compelling. Instead of resting on their laurels, Britannia recognized something crucial about their responsibility as a major brand. You see, grocery shopping is one of those fundamental human activities that most of us take completely for granted. You walk into a store, your eyes quickly scan the shelves, you read labels, compare prices, check expiration dates, and navigate through the aisles almost on autopilot. But imagine for a moment that you couldn't see those shelves, couldn't read those labels, couldn't easily navigate through unfamiliar store layouts. For millions of visually impaired individuals, grocery shopping has traditionally been an exercise in dependence, relying on family members, friends, or store employees to help them find products, read ingredients, and make informed choices. It is not just about the practical challenges, it is about the fundamental human desire for independence and dignity in performing everyday tasks. The leadership at Britannia understood something profound. True inclusion isn't about token gestures or checkbox exercises. It isn't about adding a few accessibility features as an afterthought. Genuine inclusion requires deep empathy, authentic collaboration with the communities you are trying to serve, and a willingness to completely reimagine how things are done. This is where the magic of Britannia A-eye begins, and it is where we meet one of the most important figures in this story, Amar Jain, co-founder of Mission Accessibility. Amar brought to this collaboration something absolutely invaluable: lived experience and deep understanding of what visually impaired individuals actually need, not what sighted people think they need. What makes this partnership truly special is how it exemplifies the principle of nothing about us without us, a fundamental tenet of the disability rights movement. Instead of developing technology in isolation and then hoping it would be useful, Britannia and its partners from WPP, Mindshare, Google, and the broader accessibility community built AI through direct collaboration with visually impaired users from day one. Before we dive deeper into the specifics of how AI works, let us take a moment to understand what we mean by multimodal AI in the context of grocery shopping. You have probably heard about AI systems that can recognize images or process speech, but multimodal AI combines multiple forms of input and output to create much more sophisticated and useful interactions. In the case of AI, we are talking about an AI system that can simultaneously process visual information from smartphone cameras, understand spoken queries in natural language, provide audio descriptions and guidance, and even integrate with various assistive technologies that visually impaired users might already be familiar with. But here is what makes this truly revolutionary. AI doesn't just identify products, it understands context, preferences, and the complex decision-making process that goes into grocery shopping. When you point your phone at a shelf of breakfast cereals, AI doesn't just rattle off a list of product names, it can tell you about nutritional information, compare prices, identify allergens, suggest alternatives based on dietary restrictions, and even help you locate specific items you are looking for. The multimodal aspect is crucial here because visually impaired individuals use multiple senses and strategies to navigate the world. AI leverages this, say, by providing information through multiple channels, detailed audio descriptions, haptic feedback through smartphone vibrations, and integration with screen readers and other assistive technologies that users might already rely on. What is particularly exciting about this approach is how it respects and enhances the existing skills and strategies that visually impaired shoppers have developed. Instead of trying to replace human capabilities, AI amplifies them, providing additional information and support that makes the shopping experience more efficient, independent, and enjoyable. The development process for AI offers incredible insights into what co-creation really means. This wasn't a traditional product development cycle where engineers and designers work in isolation and then test their creations on end users. Instead, visually impaired individuals were involved in every stage of the process, from initial concept development to testing prototypes to refining the user interface. Amar Jain and other members of the accessibility community didn't just provide feedback on finished products. They helped shape the fundamental architecture of how AI thinks about grocery shopping. They identified pain points that sighted developers might never have considered, suggested innovative solutions based on their lived experiences, and helped ensure that the technology truly serves the needs of its intended users. This collaborative approach revealed fascinating insights about the grocery shopping experience. For example, the development team learned that visually impaired shoppers often develop incredibly sophisticated mental maps of store layouts and product locations. AI was designed to work with these existing strategies rather than disrupting them, providing additional information that enhances rather than replaces task skills. The team also discovered that independence in grocery shopping isn't just about finding products. It is about having the same level of information and choice that sighted shoppers take for granted. Being able to compare prices, read ingredient lists, understand nutritional information, and make informed decisions about product alternatives are all crucial aspects of the shopping experience that AI addresses. Now let us get into the really exciting technical details of how AI actually works. The multimodal AI architecture that Britannia and their partners have developed is nothing short of remarkable, and understanding it helps us appreciate the sheer sophistication of what they have accomplished. At its core, AI operates through a smartphone app that combines computer vision, natural language processing, and intelligent recommendation systems. When you point your phone's camera at a product or shelf, the computer vision component identifies items, reads labels, and extracts relevant information like prices, ingredients, and nutritional data. But here is where it gets really interesting. The system doesn't just provide raw information. It processes and contextualizes that information based on the user's preferences, dietary restrictions, shopping history, and current needs. If you are looking for a low-sodium snack option, AI doesn't just tell you the sodium content of every product. It proactively identifies options that meet your criteria and explains why they might be good choices. The natural language processing capabilities allow for incredibly intuitive interactions. You can ask questions like, which of these cereals has the most protein? Or, is there a gluten-free version of this product? And AI understands the context and provides relevant, actionable answers. The system also includes sophisticated spatial awareness capabilities. It can help you navigate through store aisles, locate specific product categories, and even guide you to check out areas or customer service desks. This isn't just about identifying what is in front of the camera, it is about understanding the broader retail environment and helping users navigate it effectively. What makes AI truly transformative is how it addresses the dignity aspect of shopping. Traditional approaches to helping visually impaired shoppers often involved asking for assistance from store employees or family members. While there is nothing wrong with seeking help when needed, having the option to shop independently is incredibly empowering. AI gives users the choice to shop on their own terms. They can take their time comparing products, exploring new options, and making decisions without feeling rushed or dependent on others. This independence extends beyond just the practical aspects of shopping. It is about having the same level of privacy, spontaneity, and control that other shoppers enjoy. The technology also helps address some of the social barriers that visually impaired individuals often face in retail environments. Store employees, despite their best intentions, may not always be knowledgeable about specific products or may feel uncomfortable or unsure about how to assist effectively. AI eliminates these potential awkward interactions while still preserving the option to seek human help when desired. The impact stories from early users of AI are absolutely inspiring. Users report feeling more confident about trying new products, spending less time shopping for routine items, and having more enjoyable overall shopping experiences. But perhaps most importantly, they describe feeling more independent and empowered in their daily lives. What is particularly exciting about the Britannia A-eye initiative is how it serves as a masterclass for other brands in what genuine innovation looks like. Companies often approach accessibility as just something to meet compliance or a good-to-have feature. Britannia demonstrates that when you approach accessibility as a design opportunity and a source of innovation, you can create solutions that benefit everyone. The lessons here extend far beyond grocery shopping or even retail. The collaborative development process, the focus on user empowerment rather than just problem solving, and the commitment to ongoing improvement based on real user feedback are principles that can be applied across industries and applications. Other brands can learn from Britannia's approach to stakeholder engagement. Instead of making assumptions about what users need, they invested time and resources in building authentic relationships with the visually impaired community. They recognize that these individuals are experts in their own experiences and valuable partners in the innovation process. The technical excellence of AI also demonstrates the importance of investing in sophisticated, well-designed solutions rather than quick fixes or superficial accommodations. The multimodal AI architecture required significant research and development resources, but the result is a platform that truly transforms the user experience rather than just making minor improvements. As we look toward the future, AI represents just the beginning of what is possible when AI meets genuine inclusion. The platform is designed to continuously learn and improve, which means the shopping experience will keep getting better over time as more users interact with the system and provide feedback. The next phase of development includes even more sophisticated personalization capabilities. Imagine an AI system that learns your shopping patterns, dietary preferences, and budget constraints so well that it can proactively suggest meal planning ideas, alert you to sales on products you regularly purchase, and even help you discover new products that align with your tastes and needs. The potential for expansion beyond grocery shopping is enormous. The same principles and technologies that make AI effective could be applied to other retail environments, public spaces, educational settings, and workplace environments. We might see similar AI-powered accessibility solutions in clothing stores, pharmacies, libraries, museums, and countless other spaces. International expansion is already generating interest from retailers and technology companies around the world. The success of AI has demonstrated that there is both a significant need and a viable market for sophisticated accessibility technologies. This could lead to broader adoption of inclusive design principles across the global retail industry. The environmental and social implications are also significant. When shopping becomes more efficient and enjoyable for visually impaired individuals, it can reduce reliance on delivery services or assistance from others, potentially leading to reduced transportation emissions and increased social independence. As we wrap up our exploration of this groundbreaking initiative, let us consider what Britannia A-eye means for you. Whether you are a business leader, a technology developer, or just someone who wants to build a more inclusive world. First, this showcases the incredible potential that exists when we approach accessibility not as a burden or obligation, but as an opportunity for innovation. The technologies and insights developed for AI have applications far beyond serving visually impaired shoppers. They represent advances in computer vision, natural language processing, and user experience design that can benefit everyone. Second, the collaborative development model pioneered by Britannia, Amar Jain and their partners offers a blueprint for authentic stakeholder engagement. This approach recognizes that the people who will use a technology are the best qualified to guide its development, and that meaningful inclusion requires ongoing partnership rather than one-time consultation. Third, AI demonstrates that technology can be a powerful tool for social justice and human dignity when it is developed with the right intentions and approaches. This isn't just about making shopping more convenient. It is about affirming the fundamental right of all individuals to participate fully in society. For business leaders, this initiative highlights the importance of looking beyond traditional market research and demographic analysis to understand the real needs and experiences of diverse customer segments. The insights gained through the AI development process have undoubtedly made Britannia a more customer-centric and innovative company overall. For technology developers, AI illustrates the importance of user-centered design and the incredible potential that exists when we build systems that truly serve human needs rather than just showcasing technical capabilities. The Britannia A-eye initiative shows us how technology serves as a bridge to inclusion rather than a barrier to participation. This isn't just about making grocery shopping more accessible, although they have certainly achieved that. It is about reimagining what is possible when we combine cutting-edge technology with deep empathy and authentic collaboration. The multimodal AI platform they have built doesn't just solve immediate problems. It creates a foundation for addressing countless other accessibility challenges across different contexts and environments. More importantly, it demonstrates that genuine inclusion isn't just the right thing to do. It is also a source of innovation, insight, and competitive advantage. As we have explored throughout this episode, the implications extend far beyond a single brand or even the retail industry. This initiative demonstrates how AI can be implemented in ways that genuinely empower users and enhance human dignity. It shows how technology companies can work authentically with the communities they are trying to serve. And it provides a roadmap for other organizations seeking to harness the power of AI for meaningful social impact. The success of AI is already inspiring similar projects around the world, and we can expect to see the principles and approaches pioneered by Britannia adapted and evolved in countless other contexts. And with that, we come to the end of this week's episode of the Cognixia Podcast. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the aisles of innovation and that you are as inspired as we are about the potential for technology to create a more inclusive world. Remember, the most powerful applications of AI aren't just about efficiency or convenience. They are about empowering human potential and affirming human dignity. The Britannia A-eye initiative exemplifies this approach, and their success offers valuable lessons for all of us about what genuine innovation looks like. We will be back again next week with another fascinating exploration of emerging technologies and their real-world impact. Until then, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep imagining what is possible when human empathy meets artificial intelligence. Happy shopping and happy learning.